Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends in home building, the modern barndominium. If you've ever dreamt of a home that perfectly blends rustic charm with sleek, contemporary design, then you are in the right place. We're going to explore what makes a barndominium modern, look at some jaw-dropping features, and even talk about costs. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the very end, because I'll be revealing one specific design that homeowners are absolutely obsessed with right now. You won't want to miss it. So, what exactly transforms a traditional barn-style house into a modern barndominium? It's not just about slapping some black paint on a metal building. It's a thoughtful fusion of architectural elements. The classic barn silhouette, that iconic gambrel or gable roof, is the foundation. But modern design strips away the necessary frills. We're talking clean lines, large, geometric windows, and a minimalist color palette. Think bold blacks, crisp whites, and sophisticated grays, often accented with natural wood or stone to add warmth and texture. The goal is to create a structure that is both striking and simple, making a powerful statement without being overly complicated. It honors its agricultural roots while fully embracing the 21st century. Let's get into the features that are really defining this trend. First and foremost, open concept layouts. This is the heart and soul of modern barndo living. Imagine a massive great room where the kitchen, dining area, and living room all flow into one another under soaring vaulted ceilings. This not only makes the space feel huge and airy, but it's also incredibly practical for modern family life and for entertaining guests. There are no walls to break up conversations or block sightlines. It's all about connection and shared space. Another key feature is the exterior material. While traditional barns might be all wood, modern barndominiums often feature durable and low-maintenance steel siding and roofing. Vertical board and batten siding is incredibly popular, giving it that classic barn look but with a clean, updated feel. Metal is fantastic because it's fire-resistant, pest-resistant, and can withstand harsh weather like a champ. Plus, it provides a sleek, industrial aesthetic that is softened by large glass installations, like panoramic windows or massive sliding glass doors that completely open up to the outdoors, blurring the line between inside and out. And we can't talk about modern homes without mentioning energy efficiency. This is a huge selling point for barndominiums. The steel frame construction allows for incredibly deep wall cavities, which means you can pack in a ton of high-quality insulation. We're talking spray foam insulation that creates an airtight seal, preventing drafts and keeping your energy bills low. Combine this with energy-efficient windows, a cool metal roof that reflects sunlight, and the potential to easily add solar panels, and you have a home that is not only beautiful, but also incredibly green and cost-effective to run in the long term. It's a win-win for your wallet and the planet. Now, let's step inside and talk about interior finishes. This is where you can really let that modern personality shine. Forget the country clutter. Modern barndo interiors are all about a refined, minimalist aesthetic. Polished concrete floors are a huge trend. They're durable, easy to clean, and offer a cool, industrial chic vibe that works perfectly with the barn structure. For a touch of warmth, many homeowners opt for light-colored hardwood or luxury vinyl plank. In the kitchen, you'll often see flat panel cabinets, quartz countertops with waterfall edges, and a large central island that serves as the hub of the home. Stainless steel or matte black appliances and simple, elegant light fixtures complete the look. Bathrooms are becoming spa-like sanctuaries, with walk-in showers featuring frameless glass, freestanding tubs, and floating vanities. The key is to use high-quality materials in simple forms to create a sense of understated luxury. It's about quality over quantity. Of course, a modern home isn't complete without smart home technology. Barndominiums are the perfect canvas for integrating the latest tech. Imagine controlling your lights, thermostat, and security system from your phone. You can have automated blinds that adjust based on the time of day, a whole home audio system for seamless entertainment, and smart appliances that make your life easier. Because you're often building from scratch, it's incredibly easy to wire the home for all these features from the get-go, creating a truly intelligent and responsive living environment. This isn't just a house, it's a home that works for you. Let's visualize this with a couple of example floor plans. Picture a 3,000 square foot, single-story layout. You walk in through a modest entryway that immediately opens up into a breathtaking great room with a 25-foot vaulted ceiling and a wall of windows overlooking the backyard. To one side, you have a gourmet kitchen with a huge pantry. To the other, a cozy living area centered around a sleek, linear fireplace. One wing of the house is a dedicated master suite, complete with a massive walk-in closet and a luxurious bathroom. The opposite wing houses 2 or 3 additional bedrooms, a home office, and maybe even a dedicated home gym or playroom. Everything is on one level, making it accessible and perfect for families of all ages. Now, let's consider a 2-story plan that incorporates a shop. This is a classic barndo setup. The ground floor could be a massive 2,000 square foot garage or workshop perfect for car enthusiasts, woodworkers, or anyone needing serious storage space. Then, the 2,000 square foot living quarters are situated above it. This shophouse design maximizes your footprint. Upstairs, you can still have that open concept great room, a beautiful kitchen, and a master suite. A balcony off the living area provides a private outdoor space with elevated views. This plan brilliantly combines work, hobbies, and luxury living all under one roof, which is the ultimate in functional design. Alright, let's talk about the big question, cost. What does it actually cost to build a modern barndominium? This is tricky because it varies wildly based on your location, the level of finishes you choose, and how much of the work you do yourself. As a rough estimate, you can expect the basic shell of a barndominium kit to cost anywhere from $20 to $40 per square foot. However, for a full turnkey build, meaning everything is done for you from the foundation to the final coat of paint, you are more likely looking at a range of $100 to $200 per square foot, or even more for ultra high-end luxury finishes. The beauty of a barndo is the customization. You're not locked into a cookie-cutter design. You can decide on the exact square footage, the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, the ceiling height, and the window placement. Want to add a wraparound porch? Go for it. Need a dedicated safe room? It can be incorporated. Dream of an indoor basketball court? With a barndo, that's actually a possibility. This flexibility allows you to create a home that is truly tailored to your family's lifestyle and budget. You can start with a more basic plan and add luxury features as your budget allows. So, why are modern barndominiums being called the future of home design? I think it comes down to a few key factors. First, they offer an unmatched combination of durability and design freedom. The steel structure is built to last for generations. Second, their energy efficiency is a massive draw in a world where sustainability and long-term costs are more important than ever. Third, the open layouts and connection to the outdoors cater directly to the way modern families want to live, more informally, more connected, and with more space to breathe. They challenge the notion of what a house should look like, offering a bold, beautiful, and highly practical alternative to traditional construction. They are more than just a trend, they represent a shift in our values towards smarter, more flexible, and more personalized living spaces. Okay, as promised, it's time for the big reveal. The one design element that has homeowners and designers buzzing right now is the glass garage door used as an interior and exterior wall. Imagine this, in your great room, instead of a solid wall or a standard sliding door, you have a massive, fully retractable glass-paneled garage door. On a beautiful day, you press a button, and the entire wall lifts up, completely merging your living room with your outdoor patio or deck. It creates the ultimate indoor-outdoor living experience. It's dramatic, it's luxurious, and it's incredibly cool. It floods the space with natural light and makes entertaining an absolute dream. This single feature perfectly encapsulates the modern barndo ethos, industrial roots, modern technology, and a deep connection to the surrounding environment. It's a showstopper, and it's a feature that truly defines the cutting edge of modern barndominium design. So, what do you think? Are you ready to start planning your own modern barndo? Let me know in the comments below what features you would include in your dream build. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel out. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video, where we'll be taking a full tour of a recently completed modern barndominium. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.